Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. It is, let's see what time it is. Are y'all right? What happened, honey? What happened? Is your mouth bleeding? Hold on. Let's put this down. Let me look at it. Let me look. Where does it bleed in? On your lip? See no blood. Did you bonk it on your Nerf gun?
Yeah. Not on my Nerf gun.
Can I have a kiss? Let me kiss it. Let me kiss it. Let me kiss it. Hey, can you tell everybody good morning? Stand up. Stand up. Say good morning. All right. Careful. All right, guys. So, like I was saying, I was going to tell you what time it is. It's 11 o'clock. And we have just kind of been hanging out. Gavin slept till about 8:45. So I actually finished editing that vlog and got it up. Oh, I need to put this in the washing machine. I got some laundry going. I've kind of picked a few things up. And then I actually showered and got myself ready. We played Nerf guns a little bit. We've dressed up in costumes. We've had an eventful afternoon, I guess. Or morning. Afternoon. It's only 11 o'clock. But, let's see. What is going on today? Today is Friday. I have a couple projects that I need to do. I need to go get some wood. For 2 signs that I'm making. And what else do I need to do? I want to vacuum and mop and kind of get caught up on laundry because we have a busy weekend. Not that I'm behind on laundry because I usually stay pretty on top of it, and especially with flu season, I feel like my kids get home and I make them take their clothes off that they've been in school, that they wore at school all day, and wash them so I can hopefully get the germs off of them. But, yeah, so other than that, we are, I got a couple Poshmark orders out in the mail this morning, and that's about it. We are just hanging out. Derek's going to get off a little bit early today, so he's actually going to take the Christmas lights down, which I was glad. I mean, it's warming up, but it's still kind of chilly outside. So,
This is my phone, Mom. This is my phone.
Is that your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Who are you going to call? Who are you going to call? Gavin?
I gotta turn it on.
Okay. Will you tell Mommy who you're calling?
Turn it on. Not turning on.
Oh. It's alright, you can pretend. Why don't you pretend to call somebody?
No, I want to turn it on.
Okay, let me see. It must be dead. Gotta charge it.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you must not have plugged your phone in last night when you went to bed. Who are you calling? Calling the boss? Who's the boss?
Tim. Tim is the boss.
Who's the boss?
Tim is the boss.
Tim?
No, Tim is the boss.
Tim?
No, Tim is the boss.
Oh. I don't know who that is. Is Mommy not the boss?
No,
I'm not. Is Daddy the boss? Oh, I'm your honey? Oh, in case y'all didn't hear that, he just said I was his honey. What's Daddy, Gavin?
A genius. Daddy is a genius.
Why don't you come tell the guys on the camera?
No, I can't.
You can't tell them? Come tell them what you are.
No, I'm not. Bye, guys.
And he's going to the playroom. So, apparently I am his honey, and Daddy is a genius. He is so full of it. So anyway, I might be filming a organize with me this afternoon. I really want to get like my dressers. Well, they're like kitchen storage, but they're the dressers that you've seen, the one in my kitchen and the one up in my dining room. I'd like to get them organized because I know that I could like utilize the space better. So I might film a couple of those, or I might film a video of that this afternoon if I get a chance. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. And today, I have to be at the church at 5:30 to set up our small group at church, or not our small group, our Sunday school class, our Love's Journey class, puts on a Valentine's banquet, and I have to help set up for that tonight. It's tomorrow night, but yeah, so I am going to go to the church tonight, which is good because Derek's been gone a lot this week in the evening, more than normal.
You use this one.
Okay.
And I use this one.
What are we gonna do?
Fight.
We are gonna what?
Fight.
Oh my gosh, we are way zoomed in.
Yeah, you know how to fight.
Wow, that clip was just way zoomed in. But Derek has been gone a lot more this week than normal, and there's some little boys that have been missing their daddy, huh? So they will be very excited to have
This one is hard.
yeah, to have Daddy home tonight.
This diamond sword is very hard.
That diamond sword is very hard.
Yeah.
Show them the diamond sword. Hold it up. Wow. Is it so hard?
Yeah. You switch.
You want me to use that switch?
Yeah, this one is very hard.
Okay.
That's not very hard. That's not very hard.
I thought we were supposed to be sword fighting. Yeah.
Self-fighting.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Block myself. Oh, easy. Easy. I'm about to get hit in the face. Oh goodness, the things you do as a mom.
I go over here.
A boy
and
mom.
they find me.
You want me to fight you?
Hiya!
Yeah. Oh my mercy. Whoa.
I'm a shrimp. Hiya!
Easy, honey. You're gonna hit mommy real hard. Okay. We're playing hide and seek. I'm hiding back here behind the chair. Okay, I'm gonna count right here. You go hide. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come.
can't get out.
He's Jack.
Yes, sir.
You need help? I'm hiding in the bathroom. Let's see if I can get his remote.
We're in the car. I know you are. Got you.
So, I just got back from the church, setting up for the Valentine's banquet tomorrow. It's going to be really pretty. But, it is like, sorry, you were probably just staring at my, chin. But, it is going to be really pretty. I don't even know what I was going to say. But it's like, God, I can't hold my camera. I'm trying to feed the cat because the cat's meowing at me. Anyway, brain work. So, I just got home from the church from decorating for the Valentine's banquet tomorrow. And Derek's showering. And then the boys are asleep. And we are going to watch the episode of This Is Us from this week. I didn't realize there was one on Tuesday. I thought that the one that played Sunday after the Super Bowl was the last one. So, yeah. So, we are going to watch that and go to bed. Easton has basketball in the morning. Haircuts. And then, we have the Valentine's banquet.
I was just dancing for her. You missed it.
Don't worry, they'll see your moves tomorrow.
You're not putting that on the vlog.
Oh, yeah.
You're insane.
Yes, I am.
Well, then you're going to have to fight all these women off with sticks. Because after they see my dancing.
Uh-huh. Yep. Mm-hmm. They gonna be chasing after you, honey. Oh my God, he's full of himself. Anyway. Well, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.